Yo, I'm back. About to kick some shit for y'all. Yeah, first video of the series that I'm about to put on for y'all. Series. I'm talking about movies. I'm talking about I think you gonna see me doing shit. Cause you ain't gonna see no motherfuckers doing. This is real life. Get with it to get go. Yeah. They say they ready for me though. I don't really never believe them though. 'Cause I know me. I know me, I ain't never gonna change. First video, me doing my thing, what I do best. I'm from the west, and that's where I be. Little nigga, I may be from that, but I do not sleep. Yes, I'ma eat. Don't give a fuck about the niggas that beef. Keep that in streets, and I'ma chill back and smoke and release. Don't do that other shit. I'm on my cash flow. Fuck all that other shit. Just want you to know. I'm about my money, about my cake, so stay the fuck out my face. All these other niggas don't know me, so why do they just hate? Just keep they pace, just keep on back, man, just give me 50 feet. Fuck what you talking, little nigga, man, I'ma be me, I ain't never gonna change. I'ma do my thing, sit back, knock niggas out if they step off in my ring. I need a ring. I'm married to the money, and I'm trying to stack it to dump. Fuck it, man, I'ma turn it to something. You niggas crumping, I'm pumping. Fuck what you talking, you something. I come through dumping and dumping. I be dumping and dumping, man. This shit is not a game. I be swag to the maximum. Teaching my kids right so they can see satisfaction, man. They trying to get it too. I know they won't see better days, but you know me, I'ma put it in a certain way. Put my foot down, let them know what it is. Handle my biz and I don't bullshit. Never gonna quit. See all these young niggas growing up without their daddies, but me, all mine's gonna have what they need. A daddy. That real shit. None of that bullshit. Put out love into it. I wanna see you right quick. Talk to me, I talk to you. That's real good. Give a fuck how you talk to me. That's the situation that y'all got going on. But me, I'm in my own zone. Concentrated, never gonna leave. Stuck in your head, think about me like yo girl weave. Watch me if you do not know me. Watch this. You gon' have to show me. Watch out, my nigga. I'm coming with Glocks out, nigga. Fuck what you talking, the clock's out, nigga. Socks out, nigga. Fuck that baseball shit. I ain't running. I'm just coming through your crib and I be pumping, pumping. No water guns. I don't have water funds. Night to sun. I do what I gotta do. Top God, hey. The beginning. I ain't done. It's all freestyle.